Hello guys, sorry guys. My mic was off. My mic off. Oh, they were like in a hospital. In hospitals. That's solo. Wait, let me check the skin. Okay, let's see the skin first. The skin looks similar. It's weird. Yeah, it's the same. Where's the thing? Oh, they got remodel. Still the same. No skin. So I have new skin. Where's the skin? My god. There's no skin. I wanna see the new I wanna see Doctor New attraction. So we start now. Wait. Okay, so we're in Animal Hospital now. Get some coffee. Hello. Nom, 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 nom. Let's save. They save someone. Hello, my name is Max Button. I'm here for my appointment. Register this. Okay, I got room 1. Okay, so Max Button has a. Okay, so looks like she finds no anomalies with the security cameras one open. Either this one open, so it counts. I'm buddy. I want to check as a patient. Okay, give me a minute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stress. Oh my god. I am in the living room. That should be so helpful. Okay, we know what it is. Sorry guys for taking so long. We need examples. Why do you close the door? Take NUS PC. Yeah, that's not okay. We know who we want. We know what you want. Oh, that's all. Time to get another one. I want to see the doctor resign. What is it? I feel so much better now. Okay, so I don't understand what's wrong. Oh, today, 12 a.m. right now. I forgot. Bruh. Maybe we can do this tomorrow. Some advice: if it's strange, just keep working. I'll fix out the shutter and the security cameras for you. Well, that's so helpful now, Dr. Hello. I can capture some anomalies. Okay, get some coffee for doing our next shift. Okay, who's gonna be I'm the best. Okay, who are you? Oh, I want to check as a patient. I will possess. First, let's check. Yeah, you're rejected. Yep, no service for you. Hello, blue guy. I love blue. Sure, what do you want? I'll do everything for you if you're blue, especially if you're numb. But there's a blue patient over there. Mine to be watch out with them. Maybe they are anomaly. Okay, let's see a picture though. Picture, you're the same. Your eyes, everything's the same. Okay, so guys, my device so hard to control. Okay, so your true patient. Thanks for being in room 4. Okay. Let me eat something. Hey. What? I'm here for my appointment. Let's check your as actually possessed. Okay. Are you Ash? Rejected. What? No service. I'm looking. That's right. Oh, guess who it is? It's a coffee. It's the man who knows this hospital look like a coffee. Yeah, make it coffee for you. Take it. Gosh. Yes. Guys, I was trying to check some patient when I found this green patient. My name is Noah Lim. I'm gonna check as a patient. Let's see your actually anomaly. Hello there, whoever are you? Enjoy your stay. And you? Rejected. Oh, I forgot. I just blocked the shutters. Guys. Oh, what the heck? Guys, I was just treating some patient and then this happened. And it looks like there's an eye staring like me. So, ASMR time. Complete. Okay, doctor, what do you want now? Gonna fix some new facility for us? Hello. The door is open. Let's go buy some else. Excellent, let's go. How about buy a taser? Let's ready some tase. I trust you, Yuki Sparrow. This shift is so boring. And now we're in tomorrow, maybe. I will be in room 6, 7. Okay. Oh, it's Ron for counting. Oh my god. Hello, Ron. What do you want? Name one. Form. Why? It's only room 6, 7. Anyways, ASMR time. Before we do ASMR, there's something wrong with this guy. Oh my god, your voice making me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's take your picture first. Mmm. How about taking camera? Oh, sir, your smile is very cool. We don't like smiley people. Yeah. What? No service. Okay, now we can do ASMR anytime. Whoa, whoa, what just happened? Yeah, back to ASMR. Actually, the pain so everything went so well until okay, the last page. The surgery room. Oh hell nah. Oh my god. Oh, Uh, um, what should I do? Let's just say, listen. What is the countdown? Who cares? Let's just focus. Escape. Escape. Here's my make it for you. Oh my god. Trust plate. Oh my god. I'm not paying. Bandage. Bandage. Make it. And where's the medicine? Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, that's restful. And the doctor's writing. Hello, doctor. We're gonna give us now, Taser. Okay. I need to know that well. Some patients seem unstable. Of course, make sure to use the photo and camera stay alert. I am still learning. Where you type? Ooh, teaser. Oh, I know the extra. Oh my god. Let's see what you have for us. And chocolate is fine. Thank you for the chocolate. You are safe. I thought nothing of that happened, but this happened next. Whoa! What? What the? What the heck? Why is the camera yellow? I was trying to treat a patient and boom, there's a stalker right here. What? What? Oh, death ritual! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, what? Oh no! 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 This is bad. This is bad. The ritual room one and no longer. Oh my god! What was that? Oh my god! I'm sorry it took so long. I was trying to treat a patient here. Oh, you're visiting? Who are you visiting? You ain't visiting someone. Okay, you're a visitor. I'll be in room one. Okay. What? Oh, wait, who's in room one? Wait, I want to see you vid. Wait, wait. The person was left. What? Who are you visiting, ma'am? Ma'am. What are you doing? Are you crying with a ghost? Yeah, I know. Maybe he's sorry. I was checking you're not patient. Your picture. Oh my god, what was that? Thanks, I'll be in room 3. Wait, oh, what? You look normal to me. Stalker or something. Your photos. A room fire? What's going on? Oh, the bigger place, the fire. Oh my god. Man, what did you just do in space? Oh my god, where are you going? Why are you going to room 8? So, Vader is not a patient. Oh no. 9, 8, 7. Oh, that was cool. Look. Let's do the surgery. Okay, I'm not gonna talk, okay? Trust me. I thought I could throw that, but yeah, I did. See, I told you I did consciously. I'm sorry for taking so long. Again, are we room one? Wait. Anyways, roosters and rat. Oh my god. So we need market for that, and we need. Okay, what? Whoever is there, just wait. I need to get a patient. Okay. Yeah. Where's going? Oh, I'm sorry, whoever is waiting. Just be patient over there, not be noisy. Teaching. Okay. What's going on? A flu. Do you have a cough? Let me get cough syrup. There you go. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Wait. Hey. Let me see the secret terms. Okay, you look normal to me. You look normal as well. I got room 4. Okay, go ahead. I'll be there. No, don't worry. Dot. Who's next? Oh, hey, you don't have a point here. What the heck? Yeah. Let me go to room 4, guys. What was that noise? It will. Okay, I didn't know I expected to be this horrible shift. A night shift, by the way. Okay, done here for you. Ah! Ah! Oh! Uh, I accidentally gave them. Uh-oh. Uh, why'd I have three hearts? Oh no. I'm a bad doctor. I'm such a bad doctor. I mean, a nurse. I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm a doctor. Yeah, I forgot. I'm the class of doctor. So I am a bad doctor. Hello, KK. I'm Rafahan. I'm here for my appointment. Okay, Rafa. Let's check if you're normal first. You look normal to me. You're normal. You're in time to treat some patient. Are you sick? Of course, as a patient, you go to room 8. Gosh. But who cares? Let's just treat the patient. It won't happen again. Oh! Hello. Oh my god. No. Okay. Okay. I just wanna check what happened you. Because what happened you give a eye dry. Okay. I'll try. Let's get this. Hello. Alright. Get through this. Gosh, come on. Okay. So I finally look up now. Hello, I'm Monster. I'm just gonna drink coffee in front of you. Okay, delicious. Yeah, blue sugar, and bleeding. Okay, got it. Blue sugar, flu, and bleeding. Boom. Done. Okay, time to go to the surgery room. Oh my god. Okay, room 8. Here we go again. I'm gonna focus. Okay, I won't talk. I promise. So we start with IV drop. Okay, I won't talk. I won't talk. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, that's crazy. Doctor's arriving. Sorry, doctor, I did a bad idea. I made push and normal attack. What's wrong with that? 6 people died and more were hurt. What do you mean by that? Prepare, the ambulance is coming. What ambulance? There's no ambulance. Wait, gonna get my taser. Wait. Okay. Wait. What? Oh my god. Oh, there's paging a little sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So many. The guy. No, what the heck? Away from my hospital. Hey, give me. My god. This visitor? What? Ah. Why? My god. Go. Go. My god. Oh my. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. I need to go here. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to room 6. Oh my god, it's such a crazy. Oh my. Oh. I need to go first. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. This is so stressful. Just 23 seconds left. Oh no, kick the score, quit the score. Oh my god, this is devastating. This is devastating. I miss a break. Oh my god, it's the end. It's the end. It's the end. Oh my god, it's the end. It's the end. It's the end. Let's skip. Please be a anomaly. Please be an anomaly. Please. Please. Be an anomaly. Wait, what? Oh, this room 7. I did the wrong thing. So, yeah, I'm doing my night shift. Bye, guys. To die myself, I need some help. Let's see. Looks like there's no creature here, so yeah, I'm done my night shift. Let's go. I'll post tomorrow. Just kidding.